Have you ever wondered why some people naturally draw others in, even without trying too hard? It's not always about looks, money, or status. It's their personality that makes them magnetic. In this video, I'll share actionable tips to help you attract people using the power of your authentic self. So, let's dive into the secrets of being effortlessly likable and building connections that truly matter. Be authentically you. The first rule of attracting others is simple. Be yourself. Sounds cliché, right? But here's the thing. People can sense when someone is being fake or trying too hard. Authenticity creates trust. Don't be afraid to show your quirks, share your passions, or even admit your mistakes. 1. Example. Instead of pretending to love a trending TV show, share what truly excites you, even if it's niche. 2. Why it works. Genuine people are refreshing, and authenticity sets you apart in a world where many try to conform. Cultivate positive energy. Have you noticed how being around happy, optimistic people feels uplifting? That's the power of positive energy. 1. Smile often. It's contagious. 2. Practice gratitude, even for small things, and let that gratitude show in your conversations. Being positive doesn't mean you ignore life's challenges. It means focusing on solutions and spreading good vibes. Be an active listener. One of the easiest ways to attract people is to make them feel heard and valued. Here's how. 1. Maintain eye contact and show genuine interest when someone speaks. 2. Avoid interrupting and instead ask thoughtful questions to dig deeper. People are drawn to those who make them feel important. Share stories and humor. Stories and laughter create strong bonds. Share personal anecdotes that reveal your experiences or lessons learned. And don't forget to sprinkle in some humor. It doesn't have to be perfect. 1. Self-deprecating jokes can be charming as long as they're light-hearted. Remember, laughter is a universal language that brings people closer. Show genuine kindness. Kindness is magnetic. It's as simple as complimenting someone, helping out without expecting anything in return, or remembering little details about their life. 1. Be empathetic. 1. Try to understand others' feelings and perspectives. Kindness creates lasting impressions, and people will naturally want to be around you. To sum up, attracting people with your personality is about authenticity, positivity, listening, storytelling, and kindness. When you focus on building genuine connections, people will be drawn to you like a magnet. Now it's your turn. Start applying these tips today, and let me know in the comments which one you'll try first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. See you next time!